Again, like I said, AMEYA YOKOCHO is one of my favorite places here in Tokyo. I do recommend you come. It's a very interesting place, also a mixed culture pot of people, and also good deals on shopping. Alright, so here in Ueno, one of my favorite toy shops, it's called Yamashiroya. We're gonna go ahead and show you that, maybe a virtual tour with the GoPro. Let's go check it out. Alright, Yamashiroya. This is a crazy toy shop. I'm into like little cool collectibles. Last time I was here, I regret not buying like this cool Joker toy. We're gonna go ahead and pass through this one. This is the kawaii section. We're gonna go ahead and find this otamatone, good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and check what interesting stuff we can see here at this cool toy store. Look at this carnage! Wow. It's crazy massive. There's some B-side stickers. We're just passing through, see what we could see. Ultimate deck, one-piece card game. That's cool. Shout out to the homie TJ. Not sure what there is for there. There's some one-piece. They got one-piece stickers for $3. Not bad. That is cool. Look at that. Oh, that's a cool sticker. Some chopper. Ah, really cool. Maybe I'll get some stickers, you know? Alright, we'll go around and look for more cool stuff that we could see here in Yamashiroya. Some Gundam. Wolverine toys, wow. Moon Knight. Whoa. Sick. You got the JoJo's Bizarre Adventure stuff. That's really cool. Oh wow, more cool straps. Cool straps right here, man. Not bad. Oh, he's eating dumplings. Look at this chopper. I think that's Osaka Castle. Wow. Not bad. Got Super Saiyan Goku over here and the Tokyo Tower. That's cool. We'll go around more and try to see what else cool, interesting stuff we could find here at Yamashiroya. You know, visiting Japan and Tokyo kind of reminds me of like seeing an old friend. It's pretty cool. Because of course there's something new with them, something changed, but it's always a good thing, like a good sight to see old friends. Oh, cool Chucky stuff. That is so sick. You got Chucky and Tiffany, Toonie Terrors. Wow. Look at this cool ass sticker too, man. Oh wow. It's only like $1. Ooh. $1.65. Not bad, not bad. Hey, look at this vintage Batman. That's cool. This Ninja Turtle look kind of wacky. Oh, sick. He got Evil Dead. He got Ash over here. I'm not so sure. Wow, sick. Jason, the Thing, Critters, the Monsters. If you know, you know. That's sick, man. Dracula, Gremlins, and then all these other little cool figurines. You got the boys over here. Very cool. Oh, miniature Terminator, RoboCop. Man, it's so sick. Got some cool Star Wars. I'm super stoked on this one. You got the Indiana Jones and the older Indiana Jones. Sorry. Look at that one over there. It's pretty pricey, but it's very cool, the detail. So sick. Cool, man. Looks like a whole Minecraft section here for toys. Not bad. Got some gotcha. Dragon Quest. Super Mario. Oh, Totoro. Not bad. I'm into more of like the figurines. That's pretty cool. Puzzles. What's this? Miniature erasers for Kirby, I guess. Splatoons and more. Nice. We'll go ahead and head up again. Alright. These are look like the car toys. Or car toys. Toy cars. Nice. Tomika, Anpanmon. Sick Anpanmon. Anpanmon keychains. All these little Anpanman toys. I mean, I like Anpanmon, you know, it's pretty cool. He's just a very genuine superhero. He's a bread dude, you know, he's a bread. Nice. This is, I guess, kids toy area. Yo, Shinkansen socks. That is so cool. Oh wow, there could have been bike trains here. Yo, I'm looking for the GR Yamanote line. That is sick. Not bad. You can see all the slam dunk posters here. These look like the collectibles I'm looking for. Oh wow. You got Little Nightmares action figures. Dead Space toys. What? Sick. We'll go on the right side. Check this area out first. Not so sure what's there. There's some PlayStation. Oh shit, Cuphead. A Cuphead here. Oh shit, Shin-chan Pigman. Shinosuke no Hara. Cool. It's so much going on right here. Oh, sick. Oh, sick. Ninja Turtles. Kind of weird. We'll go ahead and look. These are like Eon Evangelista, Evangelon, whatever the fuck it's called. Kamen Rider. Cool. That's so sick. Got Gundam. Gundam builds right here. Wow, it's really cheap here. It's like $7 for this Gundam. That is crazy. I've seen the ones in Odaiba at the gunplay store, and they were like $50. It's way cheaper here. Yeah, it is way cheaper here. Wow, awesome. Look at that. That's cool. We'll go to the other side now. Not bad. Fugler. Never heard of that. Wow. Don't know what that is. Gremlins. Despicable Me toys. Sesame Street. You got Smurf toys. Cool. Damn. Shoot. Punk Drunkers, man. Sick. This is a cool brand, Punk Drunkers. That's pretty cool. Japanese brand, Punk Drunkers. Shout out to those Punk Drunkers. Crayon Shin-chan toys. Nice. Killer Condom. Killer Condom? I've never heard. Oh man, it looks crazy. Killer Condom. Moomin. All types of Snoopies. Sick. Koji Koji. Doraemon. Oh, these are little mini furnitures. Interesting. Look at that, you get little. Wow. Dude, look at the Denny's. The whole Denny's setup. Whoa. That's cool. Skibidi toilet. Pretty funny. What is this? This is cool, man. Alright, that's the tour. Let's go down. Alright, let's go for a walk here at AMEYA YOKOCHO, Ueno. This isn't the real entrance for AMEYA YOKOCHO, but this is just the street right next to it. Nice, a lot of restaurants over here in this area, and then the next side of AMEYA YOKOCHO, you'll have all the beer as well, and souvenirs and snacks and fish market. Oh wow, let's go check this out. Let's see if they have Mark. Hey, we're close. There you go. I can get my own kanjo stamp. Nice. That's cool. Hanko stamp. Oh, look at these cool stickers. AMEYA, what's up? AMEYA. What else we see here? Asakusa, that's cool. Not bad. It's a cool store. We'll go check it out. Alright, let's go. Also looks like a toy store. Toy and collectible store. Look at this daigashi. 30 cents. These are mints. Very cool, man. Awesome. We'll go under the tracks. Oh yeah, look at all these goods. Oh look, you could even have shisha bar. Not bad. Alright, we're now in AMEYA YOKOCHO. We'll go ahead and check it down here on the right side, because on the left is more for like, you know, foods and stuff, but on the right side is more for like the shopping. We'll go ahead and head down this way. This store right here, right under this cool sign, this store has bugs that you can eat. There's a bug vending machine right over here. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna go check out this doner kebab, which is Aras kebab. I like their shirts here. We'll go give their kebab a try. We got the mix. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we got the Aras kebab here in Ueno. We're gonna give this bad boy a try. Alright. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see me. We'll try this Aras doner kebab. Beautiful packaging. Let's give it a bite. I told the guy I want it extra spicy. Really good. Mix of chicken and beef, really good. Jam-packed with flavor. Alright, found me a cool seat over here. This is jam-packed with flavor. I can't stress how this Aras kebab is really good. I've never had a shawarma this good, packed with flavor and that spice. It's nice because I like the t-shirts because it has some vulgar language on it, you know. So we'll go ahead and eat this up and we'll get a drink and then go check out more of AMEYA YOKOCHO. Wow. And from where I'm from, right, shawarmas are expensive. Like, this is huge. And the one that I get in Guam is a little smaller and it costs more. This one's actually cheaper. This is like $8. Or seven actually, $7. Wow. Good eats. Here in Ueno Tokyo. I recommend check it out. AMEYA YOKOCHO. Fuck the system, die or die. No way, Aras kebab. Jillet mak. Good stuff here. Thank you, brother. Woo. After that delicious shawarma, I do want to go back and get. My tongue and mouth is kind of burning, and I love it. I love spicy food. So what I'm gonna do now is go get me a drink here in AMEYA YOKOCHO. Ooh, mouth burning. I love that stuff. Aras kebab, thank you. Good stuff. Let's go find a drink. Ooh, okay. Just down here, I know that there's a family mart. There's also a money exchange. So if you ever need money exchange, there's a family mart over here near this street in AMEYA YOKOCHO. On the second floor, you'll find a money exchange. We're gonna go ahead and head over there, as well as when you go down the street, there's hobby off, hard off, and if you go more down, if you want more clothes, it's a book off. Look at this Owl Cafe. Crazy. Yeah, so this is a store I do recommend you check out if you want some used goods. That's pretty affordable and cheap. Let's go find that family mart. Although yeah, this restaurant up here, if you see it, Stamina Taro next. You should eat there. I have a video for that. You should check it out. It's a really good buffet. Only for 90 minutes. All right, family mart. Let's go and buy a drink. Looking for my favorite drink, which is Lipton. Oh, there. If you're ever in Family Mart, look for this bad boy. Give this bad boy a try. Let's go. Also, these pizza buns, they're so good. And all this yuzu pepper. This one's new. Curry cheese bread. Oh, nice. Also, you got to get the family chiki, man. Good stuff. Look at all that. Karaage, some teriyaki chicken steak, some skewers, family chiki, the best, and more. And of course, sweet potatoes. This is that second floor you could take up to get the money exchange. Depends on the rate, I'm not so sure. Ooh, let's go. All right, we met up with the gang. Jin got the pizza bun. I don't know if I showed you guys. I'm drinking my lemon tea. Family Mart, one of my favorite convenience store here. It's my favorite convenience here in Japan. Let's go see what else we can see here in Ueno. Yeah, all right, they got the shawarma rice here and kebab cheese. Also got one. Her owns the shawarma. All right, guys, look at this cool orange juice vending machine. They'll pour it out and give you a little smoothie of an orange juice. It's called Juice here in Ueno. Cool. That was Ueno. We're gonna go head on out of this area, checking out Shinbazu exit way here in Ueno Station. Shout outs to all you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the video here. My name is Mark. Like the video if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Peace. I'm out.